How to use Google Gemini application. Now, in order to use Google Gemini application, most of the new Android phones will come with the Google Gemini pre-installed. If it is not installed in your device yet, you can find the application in your Google Play Store. Just simply download the app at first, and after downloading and opening the app, you will see this type of interface in your screen. You need to log into your Google account first. Then after that, you can use Gemini for multiple purposes, such as to create image, to create music, to help you with your learning and boost your day, and to write anything from here. You just simply need to open this page and need to figure out what you would like to do with the AI, and after that you need to open this prompt section and write down what you want the AI to do. For example, if you want your AI to write a poem for you, just simply write the prompt saying that you want a beautiful poem. For example, I'm writing create a normal poem for me, and just simply send it, and Gemini will start thinking and it will generate a poem for you just like it is doing at the moment. Now this is the simplest form of the usage for Gemini. You can use it for other purpose. This is just how you can do it. You can change the prompt, make it more strong, and use Gemini how you want. This is how you can start your Gemini uses. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.